him still eating his fries.
Where did Caroline go? Huh? Do you know? Or are you just like sticking that in people's faces?
Bathroom. The bathroom.
It's all weird.
Time to eat some grub. Did you get it? Amanda's already aggravated with me.
It's starting to really tick me off.
I am? No one likes me. Okay, I'm just gonna sit here, do nothing.